There's another issue waiting for me to get to it. The hose blew right there, so I gotta fix that. And it's a pretty easy fix. And this is a really good hose, so I don't want to just, throw it out and get a new one. The key to fixing this hose is to understand this end piece here. Now there's a tube connected to this piece of this end piece that's going inside the hose. And this outer shell piece is actually an independent piece from this and can be removed. So we want to remove that outer shell without damaging the inside tube. And we're going to get this outer shell off by chiseling it off, by prying it off, by peeling it off. Any way we can get it off, we're going to get it off. But you have to be careful not to damage that inside tube because we need that. So we can look at this shell actually like a hose clamp. It just kind of clamps onto the hose and pulls tight against that inside tube going inside the hose. This will make more sense to you when we actually take this apart and you can see what's going on. And the first thing we want to do is cut the hose and cut the end and the blown piece of the hose off. And now we're going to use a hammer and a chisel to just cut that shell off, and we're going to be slicing it straight down the middle and the outside. Be careful again not to damage the inside tube. And you can see we did a little bit of damage to that inside tube, but I think we can bend that back in shape with a pair of needle nose pliers. And yeah, we had to mangle that shell to get it off, but who cares, it's trash. And if you do manage to bend the tube, just go ahead and try to get it as round as you can. Yep, looks good enough to me. Let's put it on. Yeah, so that tube is going on the inside of the hose, but before you put that on, grab yourself a hose clamp and slide it onto the hose. And you might have to grease up that actual tube in order to get it into the hose. It's going to be a tight fit either way, so it's not going to go in there. It's not just going to slide in. It's made to fit tightly inside that hose. Just do the best you can with it and work it all the way in there. And once it's in there, we're going to tighten up that hose clamp, and you should have a hose that's just like new.